ISO standards, in particular ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and other management standards, are very generic in nature. Hence these standards can be applied and implemented to any industry. Standard does not provide any specific requirement. If you will do self-study of these standards, it is difficult to understand the intention and purpose of the requirements. Akshar Management Consultant has expertise and experience for more than 25 plus years. Faculty has engineering background with 1200 plus mandates of audit experience and 1500 plus hours of training delivery duration. Hence these requirements are explained through suitable examples from your industry for better understanding of the intention and purpose. For example, ISO 9001-2015, clause number 7.1.5a, requires that the organization shall ensure that the resources provided are suitable for the specific type of monitoring and measurement activities being undertaken. Here, standard has emphasis on specific type of monitoring and measurement activities. What is the meaning of this? Weighing balance, you have witnessed at Gold Shop and Vegetable Shop. Gold Shop sells gold jewelry, and Vegetable Shop sells fruits and vegetables. Both products are sold to customer, and charged according to weight of the product. When you buy 1 kilogram of potato at Vegetable Shop, and there may be 50 gram of potato less or more. But, the quantity 50 gram of potato, would not affect buyer or seller. Consider the same situation at Gold Shop. When you buy 1 kilogram of gold, and there may be 50 gram of gold less or more. But, the quantity 50 gram of gold would sure affect buyer and seller both. Though weight balance at Vegetable Shop has higher capacity, for example, 10 kilograms, and it can measure 1 kilogram of gold. But the weight balance of Vegetable Shop is not used at Gold Shop, because it is not suitable. It means accuracy of weight balance also matters. Accuracy of weight balance at Gold Shop is much higher than weight balance at Vegetable Shop. Considering this requirement in mind, you must check what is the accuracy required in measurement being undertaken by production or quality, and what is accuracy of the instruments being used by production or quality. Capacity and accuracy, both are to be considered. We conduct Integrated Management System Lead Auditor course based on quality, environment, and occupational health and safety. Yes. It covers 3 standards in one course, because almost 90% requirements are common in nature. It is time and money saving opportunity. Lead Auditor courses are ASCB accredited, in association with training partner, Concept Business Excellence Private Limited. Keep watching our sample videos that demonstrate our expertise in subject area, quality of presentation and competency.